To set up a Crypto.com wallet account, start by downloading the Crypto.com app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Create Account button. You will be asked to provide a valid email address and create a strong password for your account. Next, you will receive a verification email from Crypto.com. Open the email and click on the verification link to verify your email address. After verifying your email, you will be asked to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. To do this, you can use the Google Authenticator app or receive a verification code via SMS. Choose the method you prefer and follow the instructions to complete the setup. Once two-factor authentication is set up, you will be asked to provide some basic personal information, including your name and date of birth. You will also need to upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, to verify your identity. After completing the verification process, you can start using your Crypto.com wallet account. You can fund your account by depositing cryptocurrencies or buying them directly through the app. It is essential to keep your account and wallet secure by using a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your device and app up to date. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Crypto.com support. Additionally, make sure to understand the fees associated with using the Crypto.com wallet, including transaction fees and withdrawal fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely set up and use your Crypto.com wallet account to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies.